And I have been, speaking about technology and wellness, how it's connected. Definitely, it's so connected because we spend most of our time just scrolling, just looking at our phone, and it impacts the well-being no matter what age, especially for our kids who does not have the mental faculty to be disciplined. I've seen so many kids just ranting and screaming when their iPads is being taken away from them. And as adults, I think nobody stops us from doing so,
Yeah.
but we need to tell ourselves and we need to know that we have to limit. Otherwise, we are overly stimulating our brain. Our dopamine gets so depleted. That's why we feel tired, we feel depressed, because instead of using the dopamine for something that we could use for learning, for doing something that we love, um, we spend so much time on the phone.
Mm.